Hey. Welcome to my channel. Today's video, I will be fixing something. I won't be starting a Mustang. I won't be changing oil. I won't be fixing a washer, dryer like I have in the past. I won't be playing with my dog out in the snow. But I am doing an actual repair. Not changing oils. What I'm doing is my cheapy gloves. I think I paid 10 bucks for them beginning of this winter. Not even during the winter, so maybe a month and a half ago. And yeah, like I said, I paid 10 bucks for them. And, well, look, they're falling apart. I had to do a repair on here earlier. It's holding, and of course, now another side decided to give the ghost and start separating. So, I'm making Frankengloves. So I'm going to sew up my gloves and have Frankengloves so I can keep my hands dry this winter. Thanks. All right, so yeah, I can sew too, man. I think I can do it all. So grab a needle, grab a thing of thread. Guess that should be enough. I got mail. Yeah, okay, so thread the needle. That's an age thing. When you're younger, you could just zing it through, and now you fight to get it in the hole. Shut up, no smart-ass comments. All right. And just knot the end. What I've noticed, the best way to do that is just take it, wrap it around your finger, and then just roll it. And it seems to knot itself, or it does get a knot from that. Tie it up, and there, we have a knot. Might not be pretty, doesn't matter. It's effective. And now, we begin the Frankensteining of my gloves. Exciting stuff here on this channel, I tell you. Look at that, sewing up a glove. I bet you didn't think you'd be watching this anytime soon. But, there you go. Full access offerings here on my channel. On the other channels with Shelby Mustangs and Mach 1s, that also show them sewing up a glove finger. Ha! Show me one that does that outside of mine. Guy repairs a washer, front load washer, new tub. That was a challenge, but hey, I did that too, and look at that. Now, I'm sewing a glove. Again, like I said, I'm not looking for it to be pretty. It's not going to be a glove model. It's just keeping it together for at least this winter. And maybe next year I might even splurge and buy $20 winter gloves. Ooh. But we'll see. If these last, why? Just need to keep the hands warm when I take good old big gunner out. Frankenglove, it lives. I'm expecting Gunner to bark anytime now, because the neighbor's out there and he just loves Brian. I don't know why, but he does. Okay, now we're gonna crust it. Hopefully it'll work. I say Frankenstein and I think of Young Frankenstein, the Mel Brooks movie with Gene Wilder. Frankenstein. Great movie. If you haven't watched it or seen it, look it up. Great stuff. Mel Brooks, what a comedic genius that man is. Another one I'd love to meet, Mel Brooks. Oh, I would have died. I would love to be in any of his movies. He's just a... Spaceballs. Another... Spaceballs is a great funny movie. History of the World Part 1. So many. I like how he uses his favorite actors, Cloris Leachman, rest in peace, and there's so many actors in his movies. Obviously. Okay, almost done. Dun 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 dun. Doodar. Yeah, comments below on any Mel Brooks. Do you have a favorite Mel Brooks movie? Do I have a favorite? Spaceballs is up there. Blazing Saddles is another. Oh my goodness. Okay, it doesn't work in today's PC world, but come on, the humor is great. Stop looking to be offended, world. It's just humor. Just because you don't like it doesn't mean it can't exist. That's the whole, I don't like it, so you can't have it. I don't agree to that. I don't subscribe to that kind of living. If I don't like it, I'll look away. In the case of humor, or bad humor, or good humor, that's subjective. You might find it funny, and I might not. Doesn't mean since I don't, I have to get you to, oh, look at that, I found another hole. Or soon to be hole. Son of a beat sheet. Alright, so, good enough. It's done up. I'm just gonna knot it here. I'll do one more to knot it. Oh, brilliant. There you go. Mr. Mustang owner is sewing. Just doing the end again, so maybe I have another piece I need to fix. And hopefully I have enough thread here to do it. You know what? I'm gonna put that down because I won't be able to talk with it in my mouth. Now what I'm trying to do here is on the end, these two remaining pieces that I cut. What I'd like to do is I didn't cut it long enough, but what I will do is normally what I do, maybe not my $10 gloves because my fingers are getting too darn big, is make it long enough and then knot the end up on it. But you know what? $10. $10. There. I didn't knot it. I just cut it. Damn me. Oh, and I saw another hole somewhere on one of these gloves. That's not doing too well. That's not gonna last. Oh well, let's see if this one lasts a little longer. It's a better stitch, I think. Oh, here we go. More. So, since I have a bit of thread, I'll sew this up too. So there you go. I cook. I smoke. Food, that is. I work on cars. Fix things. And look at that. Ray can make Frankengloves. Or Ray can sew. Again, I'm not a seamstress. I'm not good at it. I'm competent. Competent is good enough for me. keeps it alive for another couple of weeks is better than throwing them away in this disposable world. I think I might run out of thread here. Crap. I'm gonna start knotting this early because I'm running out of thread. Wow, I ran out of thread. Come on, let me in there. Nope, oops, oh well. So much from that knot. I'll just do a bit here and that's it. Oop, that was too far. You guys have any other suggestions on how to mend a glove? There, I said mend, not sew. Oh, that's it. I'm out of stuff. Now this is going to be a challenge because I didn't knot it, so hopefully I have enough thread there to do a knot on the end and tie it up. Okay, so see if I can knot this up with my big frickin' fingers. They're not tree trunk fingers. My dad had tree trunk fingers. His hands were incredible, like huge fingers. These I don't find very big. Well, in relation to my father's, no. But they have enough girth to cause me issue in doing finer things like this, like trying to wind up a thread or knot two ends of a thread, tie them together, whatever the proper. Oh, I think I got it. Oh, yeah, sucks to be me. I was wrong. Oh, you fucking piece of... Come on. You can do it. Oh yeah, Mel Brooks. Great movies. Hey, comments below. Love to hear it. Love to hear your... Forget it. Love to hear your Mel Brooks favorites. Mr. World Part 1. Screw it. Didn't do it. Oh well. That was not the one I fixed. Frankenglove. Frankenglove. Yay. Here's a... I'll probably have to redo this in a week or two. That was the first attempt. Here's the second attempt. Second attempt looks much more secure. This is crap. Anyways. Thanks for tuning in and watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming random videos. Thanks, hey.